To draw a simple shape, you will only need 3 main angles. 30 one way, 30 the other, or 90 degrees. To make sure you get these angles right, you've got to make sure that your head of your T-square is flush and that your set square is flush. To start drawing, I'm going to find a starting point. I'm going to use this point and I'm going to start here. If I line this up, ready to draw my line back, I've got to now work out how far 78mm is. For that, I'll either need to do maths, or there is a second technique, which is I can line that up with a ruler. So if I line my ruler up with the 50, it makes it a lot easier to count. So 50 plus 78 is 128. And that point would be there. Next we have to do the 80. Instead of using the metal rule, what we can do is we can line up with the known number, which is 240, and then we take 80 away from that, would bring us to 160. This is my preferred way. From here, I know that I've got 12 up on 2 points, so I'll line up with the known number which is close by, 12 up, and do it again. The next one I'm going to do is my 90. I'm going to line it up with the 70, take it up to 160. Next we're going to come back 10mm. We know that these lengths are going to be the same, so I'm going to go up 80. This is now 10, we join it up. We don't need to measure that because it'll be spot on. We know that this distance here is 12, so we know that this point is going to be 12mm from the bottom. So 70 minus 12 is 78. 80 minus 2 is 78. To get this intersecting corner, there's a number of ways to do it. I'm doing some light construction lines at the moment. I've made this one heavier. I can now fill these out. Because I did this in construction line before, I can fill it out in heavier pencil. And erase my construction line. G'day everyone, this task is only a little bit different from your previous ones. In this task you actually have one angle here which you do not know. Because I don't know what my unknown edges are, the first thing I'm going to do is find my known edges. So because this is 105, it's 54, that makes that 51. 51 plus 54 is 105. These are all 64. And this one is 18. With that, we can get drawing. To complete this drawing, I'm going to do the edges I know. I already know 1, 2, 3, 4, and from that I can work out what the fifth one is. To make this line, all I did was joined up this dot and this dot. Everything else is going to come easily because I know they're all 64. G'day everyone. By now you've probably realised that these isometric drawings are actually quite easy. All we have to do is work out one face, and once we've made a face we can extrude it and then we're done. So I know we go 45, 24, 120, 80 and 30. And from these 2 points I can work out what the unknown is. The one thing you have to be careful of with these drawings is making sure that your piece actually fits on the page. With this being 120, 80 and 62, this is actually going to be quite larger than our other pieces. So we're going to have to start lower and further in than the last ones.